I can't find my MacBook.
Best build in public content.
अपन को 5 नहीं चाहिए, सब जगह भी तू ट्राई रख लो ना एक्स्ट्रा. Very important time at social media dissect. नहीं मिल रहा, क्या करूं?
If 2025 was the year of virality, 2026 is going to.
Hi everyone, my name is Alina. I'm building a media business and I'm taking you with me. सबसे पहले तो हमने ऑफिस बनाया पूरा और 2 महीने बाद हम फिर से बना रहे हैं because I forgot to make a door. मतलब दरवाजा बनाना भूल गए हम, बताइए. The Spotify team has called us for a super private event where not a lot of people are going to be there, and thank God because I'm done with 500 people at every creator event.
It was a big year for podcasts this year in India.
I won the Panda. There was a claw machine there. Spotify team ने मुझे बताया कि वो rigged था, so I decided to go for the Panda and I won it. उसके बाद वहाँ पे एक quiz था जो कि मुझे लगा मैं तो full on जीतने वाली हूँ क्योंकि first 2 answers मैंने सबसे fast और जल्दी दिए थे. Turns out overconfidence kills you. I was so embarrassed, मैं सबसे फिर बात करना बंद कर दिया.
Who knew if your underwear is hookup friendly is a important question that you need to ask.
साक्षी and Naina from Moments of Silence were also there. Very cool girls. हमने थोड़ी बातें की, उनके साथ फोटो लिया. फोटो बीच में लेने के लिए मैं बहुत awkward थी क्योंकि वो दोनों मॉडल्स हैं और हमें तो पोस्ट करना आता नहीं है. करण औजला, बादशाह. We now had to get serious and do business. I'm closing a long-term deal with a client. I mean, I want to say trying to. बहुत सारा time and effort जाता है लोगों को convince करने में, and the annoying part is that I have to wait for months to close the deal. But I understand long-term है, तो patience रखना पड़ेगा. Lots of people keep asking me कि social media dissect पैसे कैसे बनाता है, तो मैं आपको बता दूँ कि हमारे पेज पे जो ads जाते हैं, उसमें से 30% ऐसे होते हैं जो हम paid करते हैं. Now before you guys come at me and say oh big gaya hai social media dissect, which is what comes to me often, let me tell you that only 30% of it is paid. उसमें से भी जो भी हमारे पास inquiries आता है, we are very careful in deciding what is it that we want to promote and what not. So we take a decision, and even if somebody is paying us a lot of money, we have the right to say no to them if their ad is bad. So year end and the beginning of a new year is a very important time at social media dissect because we actually close a lot of our long-term deals and associations at this time. Most are closed by December and then some get closed in Jan also because everybody's on leave. Usually I thought it would be more financial year. Some agencies and brands do financial years, but a lot of them also do year end. So that's what I've been working on. Initially it used to be very scary because you have to deal with this like really senior people who you are negotiating with and telling them why it's important to have social media dissect on their roster of brands that they should work with and support and feature. But it's become easier because there's this book that I'm reading called Never Split the Difference, and it's a great book for negotiation. I've learned a lot from that book. Later in the week, I was invited to Zen Diamonds ka launch. I go to these networking events because I meet a lot of potential podcast guests. I connect with people and it's my favorite thing to do. We played some games. Obviously, मैं जीत गई क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा competitive हूँ. मैं किसी को जीतने नहीं देती हूँ. बाहर खड़े होके देखा तो सेलिब्रिटीज थे, वो पैप हो रहे थे. कोई नहीं जाने दे रहा है मुझे और कोई जाने भी नहीं देगा. Of course, like always, I got stuck in traffic. मेरी ही गाड़ी के आगे सबको जाना है. I don't know why. Classic Bombay problems. But also Bombay is the best because people are so nice here. यहाँ के लोग आपकी हर time help करेंगे. Later that evening, Divya, who runs Binge Lab, came to my office to visit here. He's a very close friend now. I wanted to show him the office. Actually, the first time I met him, he told me he's a big fan of social media dissect since he was a kid. 8 years, guys, 8 years और vlog करना आज चालू किया है मैंने. हमने content creation के बारे में बात की because Binge Labs creates organic content for brands and founders, and this is me explaining to him why I got this place after looking at everything in Bandra that was available. कहीं parking नहीं थी और कहीं पे जगह नहीं थी, कहीं पे height नहीं थी और कहीं पे sunlight नहीं थी, इसलिए हमने ये वाला office finalize किया.
To become thinkers, like execution.
Apply your brain.
Execution चला जाएगा. If I get Arina's thumbnail, put that into Nano बनाना सीखिए. मेरे को ऐसा thumbnail चाहिए with my face.
It will generate.
2 to 5 seconds. Making AI avatars in general is the easiest thing you can do. There are 2 guys from Bihar, 16-year-olds. building a Thekwa brand. Thekwa is a sweet that is in Bihar during the Chhat time.
Okay.
They are doing the best build in public content. They do 30 million views
No way on YouTube?
on Instagram per month. It's just building content, authentic tier 4 guys, and they're doing some 3-4 crore ka revenue. through
What?
that.
This is insane.
Why is no D2C brand doing this?
I really need somebody from the aviation industry to do a podcast urgently with, if you know anybody.
Can explain the entire situation also. So let me know if you'll be up for that. I'll make a group and connect also, sending you the channel link.
Divya is so nice. He loves connecting people, and that's what I love about this industry. Anybody I ever talk to, they will always suggest potential guests for me. And that's a big hack, by the way. A lot of people think gatekeeping करना चाहिए, किसी को बताना नहीं चाहिए कि कौन next आने वाला है podcast पे. But I don't believe that. I think हमें बात करनी चाहिए और बताना चाहिए, क्योंकि कभी भी कहीं से भी कोई guest का suggestion आपको या reference आपको मिल सकता है. बाय द वे, ये मैं बोल नहीं रही थी दिव्य से बात करने के टाइम पे, बट पूरा टाइम इंटरनली पैनिक कर रही थी बिकॉज मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरी मैकबुक कहाँ है. I have lost my MacBook. I cannot believe it. But why my laptop is not showing in my Find My iPhone thing? I'm just checking when I entered the office. Is it in my hand or not? One bag, two bag. No, it's not in my hand. I not lost it. Hello, mummy. नहीं मिल रहा, क्या करूं? This is 11:30 on Saturday. I told him that I need to go check if my laptop is in the car down. And he's like, I'm coming with you. I was like, ये embarrassment, ये तो देखने वाला है आज. बहुत सारा टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद गाड़ी में ढूंढते हुए हमें मिला लैपटॉप. आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, हमें मिला लैपटॉप बिटवीन द सीट एंड द फ्लोर. मतलब मैंने बीच में हैंग करके ध्यान से रखा था ताकि किसी को पता नहीं चले कि वहाँ है, और मुझे भी नहीं पता चला कि मैंने वहाँ रखा था. After this whole mess, we are now unboxing a package of makeup that we have got. I really like the founder of Pack Cosmetics because he's a very humble person, and also I like people who are building in D2C that are long-term thinkers, because I find a lot of D2C people very short-term. Like they'll be like, पैसे raise करते हैं, अभी इतने 1000 crore बनाते हैं और company बेचते थे and all of that. And I'm like, हाँ देखेंगे. Now let's see what they've sent me. Makeup fixer, liquid liner, 4-in-1 makeup brush. He knows me. They've also sent me Spotlight long wear kajal, and I really didn't have a kajal. On the go, glam eyeshadow palette. अब मैं कुछ तो खोलने वाली हूँ. I'm going to give it to the girls. Sorry boys. There you go. That's the chaos. That's the vibe. Welcome to my life. We are building Dissect together. अपन को 5 नहीं चाहिए. सब जगह भी टूट रहा है, रख लो ना एक्स्ट्रा.
If 2025 was the year of virality, 2026 is going to belong to regional voices, small town creators, hyper local stars, and moments that are so real they cut through everything else.